Okay, let me draw a chair. A cute little chair for Scratch Cat. Here it goes. Just few strokes, shades, and done. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more such next level Scratch and Godot videos. But now it is just a, just a chair. Okay, let us take this chair to the next level, to the level of pro scratchers. The first step involved is tracing. Well, if you have already hand drawn a prototype of your drawing, only then you need this. We will simply replace the uneven shape segments with actual vector shapes like rectangles and circles, then reshape them to fit it to the design. Ignore the unintended rotations if they are not put out in respect to the perspective. As this is a single object I'm showcasing, I'm going to centralize it too later on. Oh, by the way, I bet you've never heard about drag and throw physics. And even if you have, you never accomplished the best drag and throw physics with Scratch, which my 12-pound head has already. Now, if you are excited for this, and even if you're not excited, uh, my next video is probably going to be about this, guys. Stay tuned. Well, coming back, if this part seems boring to you or you have got the idea, you can always skip parts of the video by timestamps given in the description of this video. I'm lazy, and if you're too, then you can do some copy paste work too. Now, once you have done tracing from the hand-drawn sketch, you can select all of it and deselect the ones which you have traced to keep the ones which you had sketched, and then press the delete button to clear them. Next comes shading. All coloring work and shade effects come to this part. For now, the edges can be painted with dark and slantings can be given shades between them as per elevation. Make sure that each gradient end to end have different saturations and darkness of the same color throughout. To give it a cartoonistic effect, we can add a medium white stroke to the chair. To add more details, shading features, copy paste surface shapes and reshape them as you wish with different darker or lighter shades. Make sure that they don't clip out any part of the main shape so it doesn't look like a separate object or part of it. I like curving them up a bit and stretching out and moving stuff. The third and most minutely done stuff is the lighting and its effects on the foreground. First of all, we make a simple radial light in our offstage to give a subtle light effect. It should start with a fluorescent color fading out gradually with radius. Now, in order to bring up the lighting, obviously we should have a dark background. Let me select a good dark color. Yeah, there you go. Now, accordingly, the surfaces exposed to the light, which you should understand with your common sense, needs to have slight gradients which shines at places near the light and towards normal the more away. In the same way, the surfaces that don't face light are kept normal. Take this for example, as the left side of the right front leg of the chair is facing towards the light as the light is coming from the left. Therefore, this one is shaded to a lighter color. Okay, it's getting too much of theory now. Let's put light sprite at the back. It's better. Light doesn't only mean brightness, we are forgetting an important detail. Oh, shadows. Yes, we need to make a gradient from black to no color, and then on the basis of the deepness of the shadow with the reshape tool, bring the two horizontal sides together at the point of darkness which fits okay with the scene. Now with the select and resize tool, drag the shape out with the center point sideways to bring it out into a shape of a consistent ghost effect throughout. Now copy and paste it in the designer sprite and reshape them to fit the places with the shadows. Remember that shadows don't just apply to the surface immediate below the shadow forming surface but to the whole rest of the part beneath it. The corner of the front chair leg got a bit spiky, so just fix it. Oh, by the way, you can name these sprites and costumes anything you like, it doesn't matter. And here you have your pro level chair. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more such next level scratch and Godot videos. For now, bye bye.